Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Social Security retirement benefits. First, understand that you must have at least 40 work credits to qualify, which typically means 10 years of work. Filing for benefits before your full retirement age, for example, at age 62, means your monthly payment will be permanently reduced. Your benefit amount is calculated using your highest 35 years of earnings, so ensure your work record is accurate. Before you begin your application, it's crucial to gather all necessary documents. You'll need your Social Security card or a record of your Social Security number. Also, have your birth certificate or other proof of age, like a passport, ready. Be sure to include your most recent W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns. Finally, have your bank account and routing numbers prepared for direct deposit, ensuring a smooth payment process. You have several convenient options for submitting your Social Security application. The quickest and easiest method for many is to apply online through the official Social Security Administration website. Alternatively, you can call their toll-free number to complete your application over the phone with a representative. If you prefer face-to-face assistance, you can schedule an appointment and visit your local Social Security office. Choose the method that best suits your comfort and needs. Once you've submitted your application, the Social Security Administration will begin reviewing your claim. You can expect to receive a decision letter by mail, usually within 2 to 4 weeks. If approved, your benefits will typically start 1 to 2 months after the approval date. You can always check the status of your application online through your personal My Social Security account or by calling the Social Security Administration directly for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.